here, all the way in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Try Dominican pizza. Dominican pizza is just corn and pizza. Pizza with corn. Go. You already know. I'm all the way here in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, and we are visiting this mall called Agora. So a quick information about this mall. This mall is found in Santo Domingo, and it's right in the centro, downtown area. Ciao Teatro. So here we are seeing a whole variety of food, and some of these food are basically brands that we already know. So we have a lot of variety here. They have rolling, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Pollo Vitorina, Bon, Taco Bell, KFC, Teriyaki, Bronco. A lot of it is basically very similar to what we have. So you already know, I found this spot here. It's called Hummus. In Santo Domingo. We're gonna go there, we're gonna try it. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I appreciate your support. So you already know, we're gonna try this nice shawarma called El Arabito. It's a shawarma. We're gonna try it. You already know. Bibi, Sahtin, and Shukran. Nice. You already know I just got my food now. Woo! We're about to try it. Let's go. Hummus. So you already know. Here I have Randy, my cousin, and my cousin Jason too. And they are here eating Pizza Hut, Dominican style. So this pizza is unique because something that makes this pizza unique is that it has corn. It's mainly a piece of corn. It's the corn pizza. It's the national pizza of the Dominican Republic. So here, this is something unique about it, right? That people here, they love eating pizza, right? But the pizza, when they eat it, they like to add corn. And the corn is unique because it has a Dominican flavor. We're gonna try this. You already know.
I'm trying pretzel, Dominican Republic. You already know.
You already know. Typical corn pizza. the Dominican Republic. So you already know. You're gonna try this. You're gonna try this. Mmm. Wow. Very unique. This pizza, like, I like the way they put the cheese on it, and also the sauce, the tomato sauce. Put it. You can taste the corn in the pizza. The corn is unique, yo. Look. Wow. Se pasaron, yo. Se pasaron. Wow. You already know we're gonna try this hummus. Woo. El arabito. So this is how they give it to you. You already know hummus. El arabito. Sabores del desierto. Desert flavor. Woo. Wow. Wow. So this here is chicken, beef, and you have cheese and some sauce. One thing about this arabito, the way they call it here, arabito is like saying this is Arabic, right? Like Arabic shawarma in Spanish. So this is made of tabbouleh sauce, right? Salsa de tabbouleh. It has some chicken, some beef, cheese, white sauce. We're gonna try it. Woo. Let's go. Wow, it also has falafel. They also have falafel. I didn't see the falafel in the beginning, but soon after I tasted it, I started seeing the falafel. It has some falafel, beef, chicken, all mixed. Very fat. Wow. And also, as you guys already noticed earlier, it's covered by pita bread. And the pita bread, with it, we give it a nice, like, it's like salty, right? The umami mix. The beef is dry, but it's tasty. Chicken is dry, but it's tasty. The sauce that comes with it, the cheese, give it like a this unique flavor that you cannot escape from. So you already know. Woo. The food is good.
Chilling aquí con mi hermano Yaji, Raúl.
You already know. Chilling. So you already know. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe. And hit it. Thank you for your support. I hope that you enjoy it, the food and everything. Ya tu sabes, you already know. Ya tu sabes, you already know. So you already know, I found this spot here. This place is unique because something that makes this pizza unique is mainly a piece of corn. You already know. Do not forget to subscribe and click the like button